Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting the hard molded clay for crumbly texture, white cracks, or stiff chunks. These signs mean dehydration rather than contamination. Weigh the batch and record the grams, because you will add 1 teaspoon glycerin per 100 grams as you recondition. Cut the clay into half-inch pieces or small cubes to increase surface area. That makes absorption faster and kneading easier. Work on a clean, non-porous surface and gather a small spray bottle, food-grade glycerin, and a smooth silicone spatula to help fold the clay without trapping air. Spray 3-5 drops of clean water per 100 grams of clay onto the cut pieces, then add 1 teaspoon glycerin per 100 grams. Glycerin softens without making the clay sticky. Fold and knead vigorously for 5-10 minutes using a push and fold motion and a silicone spatula to remove air pockets. The clay should gradually become cohesive and elastic. If it still feels dry, repeat tiny increments, 1 drop at a time. When smooth, form into a ball, wrap airtight in plastic, and rest 24 hours for full moisture equilibration. For stubborn, deeply set clay, place the wrapped clay in a warm water bath around 40 degrees C for 5 minutes. The heat increases absorption, but do not submerge unwrapped clay. Avoid microwaving, which can melt binders. If using mineral oil as an alternative softener, add no more than 1 drop per 50 grams to avoid greasiness. After achieving the desired pliability, store the clay airtight in a Ziploc or sealed container at room temperature away from sunlight. And always recondition with small increments rather than large amounts.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.